Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Prep Hand Paul channel. Today I wanted to go over a project that we did as a club. One or two of the members came up with this idea for a great build project for the club, and it was a little pocket power box. And of course, we named it the LAARK, Lake Area Amateur Radio Club Pocket Power Junction Box. So it came in this very simple kit. I think after we all bought them in bulk, 20 or 25 bucks, I think, maybe 30 at the most. And this was the whole kit right here, the box, the screws, the Anderson power pull parts, the copper wire, and then the little logic board. So the way you'd start it is you'd cut the copper wires, I believe it was in 3/4 to 1 inch lengths, and you would place those into the appropriate Anderson power pull metal portion. And on the next slide, you're going to see right here, I crimped them and soldered them in. And then you'd want to cut these on the sides so that they fit, and you slide them in the appropriate way into each one of these plastic Anderson power plugs. And then of course slide the other end through the hole in the logic board here. And then on the other side of that, after you've got them through the hole, you'd want to make sure, see how some are further apart than the others. You'd want to press it against, make sure it's in as close to the board as you can. And then you're going to go to the back side of this and you're going to solder each one of those. And I'm not the best person to solder, but if I can do it, I think anyone can do it. So you see here, I've got it all soldered. I think I must have retouched that one because that doesn't look so good. And I got a bit of a flux mess. But once you got it soldered, you're going to want to turn it over and you'll test, make sure it tests across the black and across the red. And it might look a little crooked or whatever, but that can be fixed later. So once you've tested it, then you're going to want to flip it back over, clip those ends off, double check your soldering work, clean up your flux mess, and that's pretty much it. Then you're going to take the large piece of the box, not the lid part, and you're just going to screw it in with those 2 screws, and you got yourself a fun little project for yourself or for the club, and a great little portable pocket power distribution box. It's just one of the many cool ideas I think our club has come across as a club project and now a personal project. I had 2 of them and just came across this and thought I'd make a video on it. So, hey, if you've got any other ideas or questions, put them down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And the information on the box, if I can come across it, I will post in the information so that you can access where he may have purchased all these products. Thanks everyone for tuning in. 73, and have a good day.